Alrighty guys, so today we are gonna take care of this vehicle. Make sure that all those stains come out completely. This is the back. Let me show you guys what we're working with in the front. These are the front seats. Not too bad, not too bad. We have some stuff here that actually stuck to it. Let's see how good it cleans. And this is the driver's seat, by the way. The other one was the passenger. Few little spots, and hopefully we will make brand new. So here we go, guys. All right guys, so the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna use this instant carpet spot remover. We're gonna go ahead and soak it out while the machine goes ahead and starts heating up. We will work this in. Go ahead and give it a little bit of agitation. Oh yeah, it's gonna come straight off. Look how nice that looks. That's how you know it's working. Oh my gosh. Alrighty guys, so here it is. A lot of these little black marks did not come off. I put some steam to them, they still didn't remove, so I guess it became part of the seat. That right there is wear and tear. Guys, seats came out pretty nice and clean. Still have a few marks and stuff on them, but they are clean. Check out the back. So that is the back seat. Very clean, very nice. So there it is guys. Hit that like, subscribe, and follow for more videos.